Hey guys, I'm Jack.
And I'm John. Not only are we not mechanics,
but we're not YouTubers either. We are, however, going to try to build this Jeep together on our own. And yes, we will be giving it away to someone in our community whenever we get finished with it. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out more information. Hope you enjoy. Okay guys, finally ready to get started on this Jeep build. We got John back here, ready to get going. First things first, we got to get all this stuff cleaned up. Guys, that didn't take long. Got this all cleaned out. Next step, we're gonna have to take the tires off, including this back guy right here. So, how are we gonna do it? Let's get it up on jack stands and we will go from there. Where do you want to start? Probably front. Tighten and untighten. Did it go down? There we go. So now, we have to figure out where to jack it up at. We're going to put these on the rails right here. So right here. That's where we're going to put that. First, we'll do this one. So. Tell me when I'm close.
I don't think you can catch it right there.
Catch what?
Close right there. It's pretty close.
On the rail?
No, you're not. That's what I'm saying. I don't think you can catch the rail right there. Like you got more space right here.
Am I on the rail right there?
No, you are.
That's the frame rail?
Yep. Rubbing this tire over here.
What?
The license plate. Whoops. Is that recommended?
I don't know. That's what we're doing. Okay.
Okay.
So put yours. You want to go more?
I have to, yeah. Yeah, I think you're maxed out there.
So in here at the back, a little one.
So one's 6, one's 3. Same spot?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, it is right there.
Okay, put your little deal in it.
I'm just not sure. Yeah, I guess so.
I'm going to let it down slowly. Watch out.
Go for it.
See what we have.
Oh. Is this a 6? Go a little further. No.
No?
I mean, I can really try. Yeah.
Okay, watch out.
Under is this gonna get 6 inches. See if we can find some gloves somewhere. Right here. Maybe a little too big for me. I don't think this thing's gonna fit.
your front tire off the ground?
Off the ground?
Yeah.
Like an inch. Yeah, like an inch.
Same?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright.
Sockets. Did you move the sockets in the green?
Maybe. No idea. Is that good?
Yep.
The impact?
Look on the instructions. The compressor seat. Reverse.
We don't need to break it.
Let's try with that. Are these all off?
Yeah, that's all right. Try slightly bigger than 3/4.
Might have to get it there. Okay, so we've got a little problem.
That's the biggest one we have on this set. Do you want to try 13/16? Or you want to stick with metric?
Oh, there's a 22 there?
There's a 22. Or a 21. You want a 21?
What did we have? 19? Yeah, I mean, yeah, let me try it.
Because you want a 20.
Okay. That's too big.
Way too big? I don't know why they're different. Yeah, yeah. You want a mallet or you want a hammer? You might destroy that socket though. Sideways.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna try
We've now decided that the only way to get this off is going to be to
destroy socket.
destroy a socket. Got it.
Wow, how do you record?
So we decided to hammer on this socket, and
We got it.
we got it.
Man, that thing's torn up.
You know what? That does look like it's got
Like a
splines
key
on
or
it. It's
what?
like a key. Okay, so
that's
maybe,
okay.
yeah.
Did we destroy the socket?
No, we didn't destroy the socket.
Well, let's see about the next one.
Maybe that is a key.
Because we got to do the other one. Let's do that one. Just take the cap off of it.
Yeah.
It's like the cover to the bolt.
Yeah.
Wow.
And just like that, we've got the wheels off. So, except for the back one. Wheels, tires, off. Hey guys, thanks for watching all the way to the end. Yes, we will be giving this Jeep away whenever we're finished. We're We're gonna be building a Jeep, then a mini truck, and then another one, probably a Bronco.
So if you guys liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button and let us know down in the comments what you liked about the video.
And we know this video was a little rough. It is our first video, so try to understand, but we will be trying to post twice a week. We're gonna be continuing the build together, and yes, one of you guys are gonna win it, so stay tuned for part 2. Thanks, guys.